Hi there, let's get started by opening our extensions and typing EchoAPI. Alright, we've found EchoAPI. Now, let's take a look. EchoAPI for VS Code is a mini lightweight extension packed with features. API documentation, debugging, and design. A big punch in a small package. Next, we see it supports offline use it anytime, anywhere. No login needed, perfect for those who hate logging in, just plug and play. Moving down, we see local storage, your data is safely stored on your device. Then there's one-click sync, easily shared your API data with others for collaboration. Super convenient for team projects. Alright, after reviewing its features, let's install and give it a try. Oops, I've hidden EchoAPI, but let me open it back up. Here we go. These are some APIs I created earlier. EchoAPI for VS Code has saved them locally for me since I've never logged in. Let's dive into these endpoints. Everything looks sharp, no data lost.